Gemini, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the bonus love reading for you, and this will be for the remaining month of August. Okay, so let us get a quick update regarding what has been going on your person's mind and heart space as of now. Okay, so let us have the spread of cards. All right, so much heavy energy. Okay, so these four cards are in alignment. I'll talk about the rest later on. So have a look. Your person is in the energy of 10 of swords. Your person is in the energy of 4 of swords. Your person is in the energy of 6 of swords, as well as 5 of cups. Okay, but I feel like this is something that they are imagining of you, is what I feel. Okay, so what your person is thinking as of now is that you are pulling away, Gemini. Communication gap has been there, and hence they feel like, what if she pulls away from me, he or she pulls away from me, what will I do then, is the mind space that they are in. That is what they have been thinking. They are scared of you pulling away. Okay, and that thought keeps them in this heavy energy of the swords, 10 of swords, 4 of swords, and 5 of cups. 5 of cups means they feel like they might miss this opportunity, they do not want to. And because the gap between you two has been happening, and the chariot of love has not been moving ahead as they would want, or as you would want as well. So because of that, they are feeling heavy. They are feeling like 10 of swords, as if 10 swords have been stabbed at the back, and they are lying powerless in this situation. They feel powerless for some reason. It might be because of the existence of some sort of obstacle in your situation, and hence they feel like they are like the wounded warrior who's lying down, and who's you know the only thing that is left for this wounded warrior to do is to pray to God to help him heal. Okay, so your person might be in the similar state, because the chariot, the movement in your relationship has been minimal, but they have been wanting the new beginning with you since a long while. But maybe there is some major obstacle in your love situation which is not allowing you both to move forward, or at least them. That is why, because the chariot has not been moving, because there has been no progressive movement in the love situation, they have not been able to begin a new relationship with you. That leaves them in this fear that you might, after some time, withdraw from him or her. Okay, and they feel like all the cups will be spilled. All right, whatever connection has been developing until now is going to wither, is what they are thinking. And that leaves them in the energy of 10 of swords and 4 of swords. They are hurting, they feel powerless, they so want the new beginning with you, but for some reason the movement is not happening, and hence they are worried. They are crying for you, Gemini. Okay, so this is the quick update. I hope you both will be able to help this situation, and things will move forward very very well with you. But one positive card definitely that is over here is that your person badly wants a new beginning with you. They are hurting right now, they are crying probably, but in time, when the time will be right, they would like to move forward to you, and they would want to have this emotional you know new beginning with you. All right, so have faith. That's all that I have for you, Gemini. I hope this reading helps. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and do come back again. Love you much.